Have you ever wondered what makes Salesforce LWC so special and why it's a top choice for many businesses? Welcome to the wonderful world of Salesforce Lightning Web Components, or LWC for short. This powerful tool has revolutionized the way we develop on the Salesforce platform, paving the way for a new era of streamlined, efficient, and dynamic applications. At its core, LWC is a programming model built on modern web standards, designed to leverage the capabilities of the Salesforce platform. It offers high performance, compatibility, and a faster development cycle, making it the go-to choice for developers and businesses alike. In essence, Salesforce LWC has transformed the landscape of development on the Salesforce platform, taking it from good to great. It's no wonder it has become a hot topic in the world of Salesforce development and beyond. So, whether you're a seasoned developer or a curious newcomer, there's always something to learn about Salesforce LWC. Now let's dive into some of the most common interview questions related to Salesforce LWC. So, what exactly is LWC and why is it so important in Salesforce? Well, LWC, or Lightning Web Components, is a new programming model used for building Lightning components. It's a significant step forward in the Salesforce ecosystem. To understand why, let's take a brief look at its predecessor, the Aura components. Aura components were Salesforce's original component-based framework. They were revolutionary at the time, but as the digital world evolved, they started to show their age. They were complex, difficult to learn, and they didn't always play well with modern JavaScript. Enter LWC. With Lightning Web Components, Salesforce brought their framework up to speed with modern web standards. In LWC, we use core web component standards and leverage the capabilities of the modern JavaScript language. This makes LWC a far more efficient and streamlined way to build user interfaces on Salesforce. But the advantages of LWC don't stop at just being modern and efficient. LWC also brings better performance. Since Lightning Web Components are built on the latest web standards, they run natively in browsers. This means that they are faster and more efficient than Aura components, which rely on a heavier, custom-built framework. LWC also provides better compatibility. Since it's built on web standards, it's compatible with the tools, libraries, and frameworks that modern web developers are already using. This allows developers to leverage their existing skills and tools when developing on Salesforce, making their work more efficient. And finally, LWC is more secure. Salesforce has implemented a number of security features in LWC, including Content Security Policy, CSP, Locker Service, and Lightning Data Service. These features help to ensure that your data and your users are safe. So, to sum up, LWC is a modern, efficient, performant, compatible, and secure way to build user interfaces on Salesforce. It's a significant improvement over Aura components, and it's quickly becoming the standard for development on Salesforce. As you can see, LWC is a key player in Salesforce, but how does it work? How does Salesforce LWC operate, and what sets it apart from other components? Well, the first thing to understand about Lightning Web Components, or LWC, is that it's a modern, performance-oriented framework for building single-page applications. It's designed to leverage the web standards that we're all familiar with, like HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. The architecture of LWC is what really sets it apart. Unlike traditional web frameworks, LWC combines the best of both server-side and client-side rendering. It uses a virtual DOM to update only the parts of the page that need to change, resulting in faster loading times and a smoother user experience. But it's not just about speed. LWC is also about security. Every component is encapsulated in a shadow DOM, which provides style and behavior encapsulation. This means that the code inside a component can't affect other components on the page, preventing any potential security issues. Now, how does LWC differ from Aura components, the earlier Salesforce UI framework? Well, Aura components follow an older, more traditional model of web development. They are more server-side heavy, which often results in slower loading times. LWC, on the other hand, is more client-side heavy, leveraging the capabilities of modern browsers for better performance. But perhaps the most significant difference lies in the interoperability. While Aura components are exclusive to the Salesforce platform, LWC is built on web standards, making it interoperable with other frameworks like React or Angular. This means you can use LWC outside of Salesforce, opening up a world of possibilities for developers. In terms of performance, security, and interoperability, LWC clearly has the upper hand. It's a modern, efficient, and secure way of building web applications, and it's rapidly becoming the go-to choice for Salesforce developers. Understanding the workings of LWC is crucial, but what about its practical application? What are some practical applications of LWC in Salesforce? Lightning Web Components, or LWC, bring a lot of practicality to the Salesforce platform. For instance, consider a scenario where a company wants to create a custom component to display customer data. With LWC, they can design this component to their exact specifications, enhancing the user interface and overall user experience. Another practical application is in sales performance tracking. Imagine you're a sales manager who wants to visualize your team's performance data. LWC allows you to create dynamic interactive dashboards that can update in real time, giving you a clear and comprehensive view of your team's progress. On the customer service side, LWC can be used to create personalized customer portals. These portals provide customers with timely and relevant information, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. And these are just a few examples. LWC's versatility opens up a world of possibilities for Salesforce users. LWC is indeed versatile, but what are some challenges that one might encounter? What are some challenges one might face while working with LWC? A common hurdle is the steep learning curve, especially for those not well versed in web standards such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. However, with consistent practice and utilization of resources, this can be overcome. Another challenge is keeping up to speed with the frequent updates and new releases in LWC. Salesforce consistently introduces new features and enhancements to LWC, making it important to stay abreast of these changes. Also, due to its component-based architecture, designing an application on LWC requires a shift in mindset from traditional programming approaches. This might pose a challenge to developers who are new to the platform. Lastly, while LWC offers a robust set of features, there might be specific requirements that are not directly supported by it, requiring workarounds or alternative solutions. That wraps up our discussion on Salesforce LWC. Remember, mastering LWC can significantly boost your productivity and employability in the Salesforce ecosystem.